Have you ever wondered how AI solves complex problems? It doesn't always jump straight to the answer. Sometimes it thinks step by step. Chain of thought reasoning is a technique where an AI breaks down a problem into smaller, logical steps before reaching a final answer. Instead of instantly answering 8, the AI reasons through the problem. 5 apples plus 3 apples equals 8 apples. Breaking problems into steps often improves accuracy, especially for math, logic, coding, and multi-step decision-making. Chain of thought helps AI solve coding challenges, analyze data, answer complex questions, and assist with research. Think of chain of thought as showing AI's work. By reasoning step by step, AI can tackle complex tasks more effectively and reliably.